What is up, my peeps? This is Caliber 724 and I'm here with a video for you guys today. So here I have the USB power cable. I may need to get my computer for this portion, but that's the assembly portion. Hopefully you guys now know how to put it together. And next is going to be the quality test, where I actually show the different aesthetics of it, what it's for, and the sound quality test. So here we go with that. Alright guys, so this is the audio for the Turtle Beach streaming mic, and it's on the green color. The green color is actually for cardioid, I believe that's how you pronounce it, but it's for streaming, Twitch, video recordings, YouTube, voiceovers and stuff like that. Basically streaming, and basically something that's going to be one direction, like from the front of the mic is going to be coming towards where the audio is actually coming from. So if I click the button on the back, it should go to purple, which purple is for bi-directional. So if you have two people like an interview, or like a co-op on a stream, or just basically you having a conversation, or like maybe for instance for something like a video that I would do, relationship topics or some type of discussion topic, you would have, you know, this purple on, so that way it picks up audio from both ends of the mic, the front end and the back end. If I press the button again, if I press the button again, it'll go to an orange color. Now, orange is hypercardioid, and this is for noisy rooms, places, places that's just loud in general. So if like I was maybe recording a video at the mall, and I was at the food court and I was having a conversation or talking about some stuff, maybe if I had like a business meeting on Skype or something like that, and I had this mic, then I will be in the food court. I don't know why I would be in the food court doing a business meeting, but at the same time, anything could happen. You could be out, or you could be just out on a business venture or whatever. And this mic would be good for that situation, mainly because that orange is for noisy rooms or really loud rooms. It'll kind of lower down the audio coming from the outside sources. So I'm going to press it again. This one is the blue mode, or the blue color, and for blue is omnidirectional, and that's for quiet rooms or group recordings. So if like I had a business meeting with, let's say, 15 people, and this mic was in the room sitting in the middle of the table, and it's like a round table, it's going to pick up everything that's coming from around. It's going to amplify the noise, mainly because it's going to want to catch every noise and every vocal that's coming from everywhere. This is basically omnidirectional. So the front end, the back end, the sides, all that stuff. So that's about it for the sound quality test. You can probably, on this mode, if I be quiet, you can probably hear the refrigerator and probably the AC. Yeah, see? So there we go. I'm actually going to start recording some audio from Destiny. I meant to do that, but you could hear it now. But let's see. Gonna go back to the green. We're on the green right now, and let's see if I can actually record something on Audacity. So here we go. Actually, let's do a new one. Alright, so here on Audacity, I meant to actually switch over the microphone, but it was on the Realtek high definition, but I wasn't using that. But here's on Turtle Beach stream, and yeah, there we go. So we're gonna click OK, and then we're gonna do a test for this one right here. So here we go, recording now. Here we go. This is the Turtle Beach stream mic, and this is a test. This is a test. All right. So we're gonna stop that, and we're gonna play it back. Here we go. This is the Turtle Beach stream mic, and this is a test. This is a test. All right. All right, so there you go. That's the green mode, the cardioid, and I'm going to switch it over to record more, to record it on the let's see, the purple mode. I forgot what comes next, but here we go. Let's see if I can. I'm gonna mute this one. Okay, there we go. And the purple mode is the bi-directional, so it's from two angles. This is a test. This is the Turtle Beach stream mic, and this is the bi-directional. So I'm at the front end right now, recording from the front end, going to the back end. This is a test. This is the Turtle Beach stream mic, and we're on the bi-directional mode. I'm at the back end of the mic. Hopefully you can hear me clearly. Alright, so that is the bi-directional mode. We're going to listen to that and see. Hopefully this isn't too long for you guys. But here we go. I'm actually going to mute the mic because I forgot to do it last time. This is a test. This is the Turtle Beach stream mic, and this is the bi-directional. So I'm at the front end right now, recording from the front end, going to the back end. This is a test. This is the Turtle Beach stream mic, and we're on the bi-directional mode. I'm at the back end of the mic. Hopefully you can hear me clearly. Alright, so here we go. We're about to switch over to the orange mode. This is the orange mode here. I'm going to mute this other one here so that way that doesn't play when we're actually, yeah, both of those are muted. So we're about to record and record now. This is a test. This is the Turtle Beach stream mic, and we're on the what is it called again? The hypercardioid. So this is for noisy rooms. I'm not necessarily in a noisy room, but I'm pretty sure you can tell the difference. So yeah. Alright, so here we go. We're about to listen to this hypercardioid version of the audio. So hopefully it plays well. Here we go. This is a test. This is the Turtle Beach stream mic, and we're on the what is it called again? The hypercardioid. So this is for noisy rooms. I'm not necessarily in a noisy room, but I'm pretty sure you can tell the difference. So yeah. Alright guys, so that is the hypercardioid mode, and we're gonna switch to the final mode, which is the blue, and this is for omnidirectional, so you can hear it from every angle of the mic, every which way or rather another. So here we go. First, I gotta mute this hypercardioid one, and there we go. Now we're about to record with the omnidirectional. I'm gonna mute the mic. Well, not mute the mic right now, but yeah, here we go. This is a test. This is the Turtle Beach Stream mic, and this is a test. This is the omnidirectional, which records from every side of the mic. So hopefully you can tell the difference. All right. All right, so there you go. That's the omnidirectional, and I'm not sure. It does look kind of different, but not completely sure. Um, but we're gonna listen to the final mode, and we're gonna play it black. Play it back. I said play it black. Here we go. So apparently it's playing from. Let me stop it and then play it. Why is it? All right, here we go. This is a test. This is the Turtle Beach Stream mic, and this is a test. This is the omnidirectional, which records from every side of the mic. So hopefully you can tell the difference. All right. All right, so I'm gonna change it back to the green mode, the cardioid mode, and that is about it for the sound test. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. I'm thinking about doing this portion in a separate video, mainly because I don't want it to be too long. But yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. Throw a like on this video if you enjoyed it and you say, hey, I'm thinking about getting this mic. All in all, I feel like it's a pretty good buy, mainly because it's $100. Plus, you have all these different modes with it. Two is basically compatible with Xbox, PlayStation 4, PC. So if you're doing anything like a YouTube video, gaming video, voiceover, what have you, it's good for that reason. So that's about it. Like I said, be brilliant, stay inspired. You know what it is. Peace.